What's good, YouTube? It's Lordship, and we're back at it again with another banger video. And as you guys can tell by the title below, today we're going to be doing a little POV drive on the highway in the sunset. It's currently about 7 o'clock right now. We're getting ready to get on the highway to give you guys a little POV drive. You know, just a little chill POV type of thing. It's not going to be too long. We got this little Challenger over here to my left. He was trying to keep up with me earlier. It's a V6, I believe. I don't see no Hemi on the side. Let's see if he tests me, man. Start this video off right. Traction is off. We're in track mode. Let's get it, man. I'm gonna try to keep you at a good angle. Charlie's still all the way behind me. I guess he don't want no smoke, man. He don't want no smoke. Damn, they took that Wawa down. Getting ready to hop on the highway, y'all. Oh! I know y'all saw that, bro. It was a bag in the middle of the road. I don't think it's on my car anymore, though. Look at the beautiful sunset, y'all. It's crazy, man. My tent is so dark. We're gonna keep the windows like halfway down just so y'all can really hear everything. I need gas, bro. I'm at 30 miles left. Damn. Bro, I swear I fill this car up every 2 days, bro. It's bad. It's bad, bro. If you're looking to get this car, it's gonna run your pockets up. Get in the car and, like, bro, the gas itself runs your pockets. Is that a Kia Stinger in front of me? That bit look good. That bit look good, bro. Hold on. Stinger hard. I ain't gonna mess with it though, cause I ain't gonna lie, they be beating RT stock. So I ain't gonna embarrass myself on my video like this. We gonna chill. We just gonna cruise on the highway. Matter of fact, nah, I want all the smoke. I want all the smoke, bro. I want all the smoke. Where you going? Oh, he turning. He's scared. He's scared. I love Kia Stingers, bro. That was like, if it wasn't for this RT, that was gonna be the car I was gonna get. If I didn't test drive this and think that the Dodge Charger RT was a great car, I would have got the Stinger. Promise you I would have. Let me know if I should get that as a backup car. I might just get a Stinger. I don't know where the hell the sun went. But I ain't gonna lie, it's a little cold outside. It's been warm recently, but today it's just been cold. I was gonna make a different type of video, but I'm like, man, it's cold. Let me just give him a little POV. I don't think I've done one of these in a while. So I'm gonna give you another POV drive video. Once again, this is a 2019 Dodge Charger RT. Completely stock, nothing done to it. Just the muffler and resonators deleted. That's about it. There go the sun. The sun trying to peek through the trees. It's back there, but I'm gonna give y'all a little pull on the highway. I'm gonna try to slow down a little bit because I am going a little too fast. There we go. Let's go to 80 real quick. That car was confused as hell. Damn, I'm about to die, yo. I know that car was confused as hell. He was pulling right up next to me. I just took off and then slowed down. But let me know if y'all want me to continue with these POV drives. I'll keep giving y'all these types of videos. Got the stars on the roof. I know y'all peeped it. Oh, swerving a little bit. You know we gotta do that through every tunnel. Ain't no way. That's the, I think it's a 350Z coming up. I was cutting up with him on the highway a couple days ago. Yeah, here you go. Coming up behind me. The same one I was cutting up with the other day. I should let him know in the video. That shit overdone. Oh, he had to go in front of me. He trolling. He trolling. I should have raced him for y'all. But that's whatever. I don't race, bro. I don't race. I'm just a regular driver. I cruise. Not a racer. I ain't gonna lie, the sun do not know if it wanna come out or not. It's like cloudy as hell over there. Then the clouds be covering the sun. And then, I ain't gonna lie though. It's looking real good, this view. Peep my city, y'all. The city of Wilmington. Wilmington, Delaware. Shout out to the 302, man. Wilmington, Delaware, yo. I'm gonna give y'all a little pull. I'm gonna go down to 40. I'm gonna do a pull. I'm gonna slow all the way down. I ain't gonna go to 40. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna go to 40. Let's go 45. All right, 45 rule. Let's go to like, all right, we're gonna do a 45 to 90. Or no, 45 to 70. All right, let's get it. Let's push 80. All right, we pushed the 80. We ain't gonna push the 70. 70 was too quick. So I was a little 45 to 80 type shit. Nice little sunset though. It's currently 7:07 p.m. on a Monday afternoon. I'm at 26 miles of gas left. As you guys can see, fuel is low. Seen that about 3 times, man, in 4 days. I swear. It sucks badly. I ain't gonna lie. It's one thing I noticed about the exhaust tips I installed on my car is that it took away the drone. Like, I don't hear as much drone as I did. Like, I used to hear hella drone. Just cruising on the highway, pushing like 50, 60. Now I rarely hear it. The exhaust tips definitely, you know, helped out. Shoot, I might as well, to be honest, bro, I might as well take y'all through the city too. Driving on a highway and through the city in the sunset. Let's get it. Track mode. This ain't gonna be too long, no. Damn, bro. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Get to the right side. Driving through the city and on the highway in the sunset. Man. If you in the market for this car, man, go test drive it, bro. The RT trim is a great trim. It's a great car all around. You're faster than pretty much most of the cars on the road, if not all, unless you know you got a scat or somebody around you. But look who's around me. We got an SUV, whatever this is. I can't tell. I think it's a Chevy. Like, look at the cars you seeing in front of me. Like, you faster than most of these cars. Even that one. It's like, nah, I don't know about that. I know the cop cars be having Hemis and shit. Superchargers and shit like that. I don't know about the cop cars, but pretty sure we are faster. I don't know, though. But I ain't gonna lie, we finna bust this right. I don't know why I haven't made a right yet. I'm tripping. Nobody come in, look both ways, or look that way. We straight. All right, we good. Let's give y'all a little city POV drive. This ain't gonna be mainly on the city, but just, you know, we're just gonna go in and out of the city real quick. Show y'all how she sounding real quick. Then we gonna bust a Yui. If you tuned into this video, man, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and comment if you have any questions or concerns. You're a real one too if you still tuned in. A lot of people just stay tuned for the first 2 minutes of the video and then leave. So if you still tuned in, man, you're a real one. Any of my subscribers is a real one. Y'all all real ones. Y'all all thorough. Smash that subscribe button, yo. It's free to support. Alright, for the last thing, let me fishtail for y'all real quick. Whew, that was scary. That felt crazy, I ain't gonna lie. Almost lost control. Felt like everything in my trunk just like flipped upside down, yo. Nah, that felt crazy. But that was a little fishtail in first gear. I'm gonna chill out now. I'm gonna turn my traction back on. Cause if you know, man. The RT's differentials. RT's come with, I believe, 2.65. I don't know what the number is. Like 2.65 or 2.45 or something like that. Differentials. And they're not made to be like spinning and doing burnouts and fishtailing and all that. So if you want to do all that, you gotta swap the diff and get the Scat Pack or Hellcat differential, 3.09 differential. I believe you can get them for about almost $1,000, $1,200. It's a lot of money, but hey, I might grab it one day and give y'all a little video on it. It's definitely worth it. I think it's worth it. I don't got no friends who have an RT with a 3.09 diff, but I watch videos on it, man. I think it's a great mod. But I only got 18 miles left. I ain't gonna make this video too long. It's probably already like 10-15 minutes long, so I'm gonna end it here, man. And once again, if you guys are still tuned into this video, or if you're new, smash that like button. Definitely subscribe. Man, anything helps. I need to hit 10K subs by May 14th, which is my birthday. So do me a favor and just smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell if you like. And just, you know, please support me, man. It means a lot. Thank you to all my 5,000 to 6,000 subscribers. Without y'all, once again, I wouldn't be doing any of this. But I'm talking too much, so let me end the video, y'all. It's Lord Shift. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.